Rescue helicopter flies fast with flashing lights like a superhero in the sky. Scoops people up like it's rescuing action figures. Hot air balloon floats gently like a giant flying rainbow bubble. Goes wherever the wind feels lazy enough to push it. Hang glider lets people fly like a human kite. Glides quietly like a giant bird on vacation. Paraglider drifts through the air like a flying hammock. Swoops and dips like a butterfly showing off. Drone quadcopter buzzes around like a tiny robot bee. Takes videos from the sky like it's making a movie. Space shuttle blasts upward like a giant sky rocket with homework. Carries astronauts who float around like clumsy superheroes. Rocket shoots into space faster than a kid finishing ice cream. Leaves a smoky trail like it's scribbled on the sky. Blimp floats slowly like a flying pillow on a field trip. Looks huge but acts gentle like a sky teddy bear. Zeppelin glides in the air like a long floating sausage. Moves so slowly even clouds overtake it. Ultralight aircraft flies like a tiny airplane that went on a diet. Feels the breeze more than the pilot does. Canoe glides across water like a wooden banana boat. Moves fast only if your arms don't get tired. Kayak slices through water like a sneaky red fish. Turns so quickly it feels like dancing. Rowboat moves only if you row like a gym champion. Splashes water everywhere, especially on the wrong people. Sailboat uses wind like it's catching sky superpowers. Tilts and sways like it's doing slow motion tricks. Yacht cruises fancy like a floating hotel for rich seagulls. Shiny enough to make dolphins jealous. Catamaran skips over waves like a speedy floating twin boat. Feels stable like it has training wheels for the sea. Ferry carries tons of people like a moving water bus. Honks loudly like it's greeting every fish. Fishing boat floats patiently like it's waiting for fish to text back. Smells like the ocean's lunchbox. Speedboat zooms across water like it's late for a race. Makes waves big enough to soak everyone nearby. Jet ski zips around like a water motorcycle with attitude. Sprays water everywhere like it's laughing too hard.